Hi children, Unit 3 subtractions. Before class we have learned regrouping, means you have to expand the number. Only single digits you have learned, but here we have to learn with borrowing. With from one number to the another number you have to take borrow. Now exercise 3.1, subtract the following. Means you have to do what is the symbol of subtraction? Yes, this is the symbol of subtraction, that means minus. Yes, this is the symbol of minus. Now subtract the following. Here also we are taking one sentence column. From small number onwards we can remove 7. No. Then what you have to do? Take borrow from 3. What it became? 16. Now 16 on the mind and again 7 in your fingers. 16 before 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. What answer you got it? 9. Yes. From tens onwards you took one number as a borrow. Again in one tens column one number will be less. What is that number? 3 before number what it will come? 2. 2 down any number it is there? Nothing. What next? Same number you have to write. Next, from small number onwards you cannot remove 8. Take borrow from the tens column. What it became? 12. Yes, 12 in the mind, again 8 in your fingers. 12 before 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. What you got answer? 4. One number is given to the ones column. In tens column one number will be less. What is that number? 5 before number? Yes, 4. Here nothing it is there, no? As this number will rewrite. Next, going to CB, that is from small number onwards you cannot take 9. Take borrow. What it became? 13. 13 in the mind, again 9 in your fingers. 13 before 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. In ones column 13 minus 9 got 4. From tens column onwards one number is given to the ones column. What number? One number will be less. 8 before number? 7. Here nothing it is there, as this number will come. I hope you understood this. Next, 2 digit numbers. Here in tens column only single it is there. In now 2 digit numbers. Here also you have to take borrow. From small number onwards big number you cannot remove. Now take borrow from the tens column. What it became? 13. Yes. 13 in the mind, again 7 in your fingers. 13 before 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Got 4. From tens column to ones column you took one number given to the ones column. Here one number will be less. 8 before number? 7. 8 before number? 7. 7 in the mind, again 3 in your fingers. 7 before? 6, 5, 4. Yes. Total how much? 44. Next, from small number onwards you cannot remove 6. Take borrow from tens column. What it became? 11. 11 in the mind, again 6 in your fingers. 11 before 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 5. Here one number will be less, no given. From tens column to ones column one number will be less. That is what number? 5 before number what it came? 4. 4 in the mind, again 3 in your fingers. 4 before 3, 2, 1. Total answer what you got? 15. Next you tell this. Yes, from 2 onwards you cannot take away 8. So then what you have to do? Take borrow from tens column. 12. 12 in the mind, 8 in 12 in the mind and 8 in your fingers. 12 before number? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. one number is given to the ones column. What number it will be there? One number will be less. 5 before number 4. 4 in the mind, 1 in your finger. 4 before 3. Yes. Next one. Here also same thing. You have to take borrow from the tens column. 2 onwards you cannot take away 7. Take borrow from tens column. What it became? 12. 12 in the mind, again 7 in your fingers. 12 before 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Yes. One number is given to ones column. In tens column, one number will be less. Yes, what number will come? 4 before number 3. 3 in the mind and 1 in your finger. 3 before 2. I think you understood this. In exercise 3.1, do this as a homework. I will send the pics. These 2 page numbers 46 and 47. Next, going to another topic, that is one side you have to do minus, one side you have to do plus. Why means this subtraction what you did to check the answer, what you for this answer, that's why we are doing addition. Okay, now what is this? In tens column, what number it is there? 5 it is there. Again 7 it is there. From small number onwards you can't take away big number. Okay, now 5 is a small number and 7 is the big number. From 5 onwards you cannot take away 7. That's why take borrow from tens column. What it became? 15. Yes, 15 in the mind, 7 in your fingers. 15 before 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. What answer you got? 8. Yes. One number is given to the ones column from the tens. 3 before one number will be less in tens column. 3 before number what will come? 2. 2 in the mind and 1 in your finger. 2 before number 1. Now see here children carefully. This what answer? These 2 you have to do plus. 17 plus 18. These 2 numbers you have to do plus. Ones, tens. What number you got answer? 18. Plus, and what is up number? 17. Now these 2 you should add. That means plus. 8 in the mind again. Don't be confused here. In minus you counted before. Now in plus you have to count after. Now 8 in the mind. Again 7 in your fingers. You have to count after. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You got answer what? 15. Ones, tens. While doing additions I explained. Ones column, what number it is there you have to keep here, and whatever it is there in tens column you have to keep carry. Yes. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. You got it no children? Answer 35. See here. Yes. Whatever we done addition, it is okay. 35 you got it answer. Again one more I will explain. Listen carefully. Here also from small number onwards you cannot take away big number. What is small number in ones column? 4. 4 onwards 9 you cannot take away. Take borrow from the tens column. What it became? 14. Yes. 14 in the mind, again 9 in your fingers. 14 before 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. You got answer 5. From tens column onwards you given one number to the ones column. One number will be less. What is that number? 4 before number 3. If 2 numbers are same, what will be coming answer? 0. Yes. Now these 2 you have to do addition. What numbers are there? 10 children here? Ones, tens. 39 plus what is this? 5. Now count. You have to do plus here. 9 in the mind, again 5 in your fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have explained no? Ones, tens. What is there in ones column? 4. In tens column, what it is there? 1. Keep carry 1 in tens column. Again 3 in the mind and 1 in your finger. 3 after 4. You got no answer 44? Yes? What for? Why? Because whatever you are doing minus, to check the answer it is correct or wrong, we are doing addition again. What it came? 44. Okay children, next exercise, that is exercise 3.3, that are word problems. Means they will be giving in sentence, in that sentence some numbers will be there. By taking that numbers you have to do subtraction. That is called as a word problems. Now see here, 86 red flowers and 48 yellow flowers. Which flower are more in number? The red or the yellow ones, and by how many? Now solution you tell. Now red flowers, how many are there? Red flowers is equal to how many? 86. And yellow flowers, and how many yellow flowers are there? 48 yellow flowers is equal to 48. Here you see 86, 48. Here small number onwards, big number you cannot. Here 86 minus 48 is there. Now take the columns, ones, tens. 86 minus, what is this number? 48. Now small number onwards you cannot take away big number. Now what you have to do? Take borrow from the tens column. What it became? 16. Yes? 16 in the mind, 8 in your fingers. 16 before 17. From 16 onwards, 8 you have to take away. 16 in the mind and 8 in your fingers. 16 before 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. What you got? 8. Answer is 8. Here one number you are given to the tens ones column. Here one number will be less in tens column. What is that number? 8 before number 7. 7 in the mind, 4 in your fingers. 7 before 6, 5, 4, 3. 33. 38. Total what you got? 38. Now again you did 86 red flowers. We took 86 red flowers now. Again 48 are yellow flowers. Which flower are more in number? The red or the yellow ones? Which one will be more in number? 38. What will become from 86 onwards? If you take away 48, 38 it is there. Which will be more? The red or the yellow ones? And by how many? Maybe 38. 86 red flowers are more. And 30. Now by if you done this minus, you got 38. Now see your question, which flowers are more in number? Means red flowers are 86 more, and the red flowers are the yellow, and red flowers are the yellow ones, and by how many? By 38 you got more than 86. Okay, I think you understood. Next another sum, 52 pence. Total pence how many are there? 52 pence. Solution, pens how many? 52. In among that how many are blue? 36 blue. Blue pens how many? How many? 36. How many are in yellow? But in your textbook given question wrong. How many are in blue he has given, but here printing mistake he given. How many are in yellow? One side blue is there, one side yellow is there. But in our textbook, how many are blue is given, but here how many are in yellow? Now tell, pens how many are there total? 52. Blue pens 36. Again here also arrange these numbers. One sentence column. What is first number? 52 minus 36. Here also from small number onwards you cannot take away big number. What you have to do? Take borrow from the tens column. What it became? 12. 12 in the mind, 6 in your fingers. 12 before 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 6. One number from tens column to ones column, one number given, borrow. Where one number will be less. What is that number? 5 before number, what will come? 4. 4 in the mind, again 3 in your fingers. Sorry, 4 in the mind, again 3 in your fingers. 4 before 3, 2, 1. Total how many yellow pens are there? 16. Total yellow pens is equal to how much? 16. Okay children, in your textbook some page number 15 and exercise 3.3 some statement sums are there. Belong to these sums only. Do this as a homework.